Here's what most people think real estate ownership means: toilets, tenants, texts from cleaning crews. But here's the reality: the future of luxury real estate isn't DIY. Here's what most people think real estate ownership means: toilets, tenants, texts from cleaning crews. But here's the reality: the future of luxury real estate isn't DIY. It's done for you with profit, precision, and peace of mind. At Private Residence International, we help you own luxury properties in paradise without ever having to lift a finger. Because let's be honest, your time is worth more than calling a plumber on vacation. You don't need to become a landlord to build a luxury real estate portfolio. You need to think like a lifestyle investor, someone who values high returns and low stress, someone who understands that owning smart isn't about more effort, it's about better systems.
When you purchase a share on one of our villas, you own real deeded property and the management fully handled. That means on-site concierge teams who manage arrivals, cleanings, guest support. Hotel-operated pricing systems that optimize rental income, zero calls to contractors, handymen, or cleaners. You don't manage the property, you just benefit from it. This is asset ownership as a service designed for how high net worth or those building net worth want to live now. Want to stay at your villa in January? Book it with your personal concierge who books not only your villa, but all your vacations and travel throughout the year. Want us to rent it for February and March? The hotel will fit in with top paying guests. Want to send a friend or client for the weekend? Your concierge will arrange with ease. This isn't just property management. This is real estate turned into an experience.
I work with each owner to customize how their share fits into their lifestyle. 1 a week every winter, a full month every summer? Done. Most of our clients use part of the year and then rent the rest. Some use it as a second home. Others, they treat it like a luxury dividend that pays them while they build equity. And the best part is they never have to worry about management because we built that part in so that you don't have to.
If you've been thinking about a second home, but dreading the maintenance, stress, or wasted money, this is your way in. Own the asset. Use it on your terms. Let us handle the rest. Book your strategy call at ownluxurypri.com. And let's talk about how we make real estate feel like vacation, even when you're not here.